What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Barbecue Tips Podcast. I'm Christy Vanover, champion pitmaster, the girl behind one of America's top barbecue websites, girlscangrill.com, and a contestant on Food Network's Barbecue Brawl. I'm here to bring you some quick barbecue tips to help you up your barbecue game. I've got a new project that I'm going to talk to you guys about today that I'm pretty excited about. But first, I want to wish everybody luck who is going to the American Royal this weekend. For those of you who don't know, the American Royal is another World Championship barbecue series. Like the Jack is a barbecue series that's a championship, well, the American Royal is as well. And there are two main competition days. There's the Invitational, so if you won a grand championship at a state competition earlier in the year, you get to compete in the Invitational. You don't have to worry about a bung like you do with the Jack, where there's the whole draw. So it's a lot easier to get in, but it's still hard because you have to win a championship to get there. Then on top of that, the next day is the Open, which means any team in the country who wants to compete at the World Championships can. Sometimes there's like 600, 700, 900 teams competing all on the Kansas City Speedway. It is so thrilling. To kick things off, they throw huge parties, like the biggest barbecue parties that you can ever think of. Booze is flowing, music is blaring. It's a good time. I'm not going to make it to the Royal this year, which I'm a little bit sad about, but also I heard it's going to be raining cats and dogs, so I'm okay with that. And that's going to make turn-ins really hard. Turn-ins at the Royal are already hard because you are so far away from the main judges area because it's so huge. And now if you have to battle the rain to get your meat turned in, it's just going to be really challenging, especially for people turning in like beautiful dessert platters for all those ancillary categories. So anyway, I'm going to miss you guys. I'll be watching everything I can on social media. I'm sure people are going to be live streaming the awards, so I'll be sure to check those out. But yeah, best of luck to all my friends out there competing, especially on the West Coast. I want to hear your names called. I know you've got the skills and the talent to do it. So I'm going to take quite a detour from competition barbecue today, and I want to talk to you about Ninja Grills. I've actually been on the Ninja Grills infomercial, and I've tested out different Ninja Grills for the company to like give them my perspective as a pitmaster, not just a competitive pitmaster, but just a griller, somebody who likes to grill in their backyard. And the first time I cooked on the Ninja Woodfire Grill, you'll see in the infomercial, I was really blown away by it. I really like how well it cooks, the bark it creates, and how fast it actually cooks. It cooks faster than a lot of regular grills. And you can still get some smoke flavor because it uses some wood pellets that burn inside. Even though the heat source is electric, the wood pellets can create smoke if you want to add that. And there's so many functions to it. There is the smoke function. There's the grill function if you just want to sear off some steaks. You could put a griddle in there and sear up some scallops. Or it even has air crisp for French fries. It has a bake setting. It has a dehydrator setting. There's a lot of functionality to this Ninja Grill, which, you know, like everything that Ninja makes pretty much is like 7-in-1, 8-in-1. I mean, that's just the kind of their MO. Like it's like a one-and-all tool. Well, this is the outdoor grill. Well, they also have indoor grills. One of the challenges that I have seen from different grill owners is that there's a lot of websites out there, including girlscangrill.com, where you can find tons of barbecue recipes, but they don't always focus on how to cook them on a Ninja Grill. And while you could set your Ninja Grill to match one of those regular recipes and say like cook it at 225, the timing is going to be different. Some of the other nuances are going to be just a little bit different because of the way that the grill functions with its convection technology. So here's my big announcement. Starting today, I have launched a new website called Ninja Grill Recipes. This website is devoted to recipes that are cooked on the Ninja Grill. In addition to that, I've got some courses, some videos that you can watch for how to assemble your grill, how to use your grill, how to clean your grill, some of those basic things related to the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill and the XL Grill. I've also got some other videos on there of just recipes that I'm creating. Plus there's a couple dozen recipes now, and I'm going to be adding recipes on a regular basis. To top it all off, there's also different groups and different group forums. So if you become a member of Ninja Grill Recipes, you can choose which groups you want to be in, and then it's kind of like having a Facebook page, but for your Ninja Grill. So you'll have your own profile, you'll have your own timeline, you can post your updates, your pictures, the things that you're doing, Or you can jump into the forum boards, the discussion boards, and you can answer questions that other people may have. Or again, you can share your recipes. You can ask questions if you're puzzled by something, and me and my team will jump in there and we'll answer any questions that we see that we have answers for. But again, the community is going to jump in too. So what I'm doing here is creating the Ninja Grill Recipes whole community so that everybody can get smarter with cooking on their Ninja Grill, and it's going to help make them Ninja Grill masters. Now, if you want to be part of this, all you have to do is go to ninjagrillrecipes.com. It's that easy. You will see there's a couple different membership options. If you want, you can just do the monthly membership, which is $3.99 a month, and it'll just bill recurringly until you maybe choose to cancel. Or I have a special offer right now, which is an annual package. And for the first 30 days, anybody who signs up to become an inaugural member, you're going to get it for free. So you can try it for free. And then if you decide you want to keep it, you can do an annual membership for $36. $36 for a year. That's 25% off of the monthly membership. You'll have that for the full 12 months. And again, you'll have access to all of the new recipes, all of the new tutorials, the whole message board and community, so much information out there that you will have exclusive access to. So I encourage you to go to Ninja Grill Recipes if you own a Ninja Grill or if you're thinking about buying a Ninja Grill. And then that way you can join the community with this early stage before it ends. Once the early stage ends, that trial period will be reduced substantially. So I want to give you access to that free 30 days. So again, go to ninjagrillrecipes.com and click on join today. The last bit of exciting news that I have is that all of my rubs have made it to the warehouse. We now have brisket, chicken, and pork all sitting in St. George, Utah. I am finalizing with Patio Provisions all of the shipping details, and I think by this time next week, or maybe even before the next podcast comes out, they're going to be available at girlscangrill.com. All you have to do is go to my website, click on that shop button, and then once they're available, they'll be there, and then you can purchase them and get them shipped directly to you. And while you're at my store, you will also see the link to my hats and my cookbook, which is available still at amazon.com. And the last thing that I want to touch on today is that I have been testing a new grill. Breeo is a smokeless fire pit. I have cooked on Breeos for probably about 5 years. It's a low to the ground fire pit. You sit around it with your chairs, but it has this outpost attachment that has a grill grate that can raise and lower. So I have cooked on it, like I said, for 5 years when I do my live fire cooking. Well, they just launched a live fire grill, which is actually more like waist level. It's super cool. It has this really nice heavy stand that it sits on, and then it's elevated. You can use your same outpost with that adjustable grill grate. Plus there's a griddle feature, there's a pot holder feature, there's a kettle hook, so you can actually hang like a Dutch oven or a kettle if you like to do kettle cooking. I've already been cooking on it. I love it. Couple things that I have noticed is that it's better to cook with either logs or lump charcoal, not briquettes. Briquettes work fine, but they do create a lot more ash than lump charcoal. So if you're going to cook on this new Breeo live fire grill, go with lump charcoal or throw a log or two on there, like a hickory or pecan log. Those go great. They taste great. They offer really nice smoke flavor. So those are some really cool options. Also, I love that it has adjustable shelves that kind of fold in and fold out, and they're really sturdy. I can put a pan of meat on there very comfortably. There's like tool hangers where I can hang my tools. A lot of the functionality was thought about. Even underneath the shelves, there's 2 shelves, one where you could like stack all of your wood or put your bags of charcoal, and one where you could put some of your accessories, your pans, your heat gloves, different things like that. So the whole design of it is really nice. And then of course, the functionality of Breeo, I've just always been a fan. And so I'm really excited to have that addition to my backyard. I think I have another new grill that's going to be coming within this next week or so. So I'll be testing that soon and giving you guys an update on that. And I am continuing to test some other grills that I can't quite talk about yet. There's just a lot going on in the Girls Can Grill backyard and a lot going on in the Girls Can Grill store. So as a reminder, be sure to check out ninjagrillrecipes.com if you are a Ninja Grill owner or thinking about getting a Ninja Grill. And then be sure to go to my website, girlscangrill.com, and click on that shop button because those spice rubs are coming so soon. All right, guys, I know this was a short one, but I've got a lot of stuff going on, so I got a bolt for today. But it's so great talking to you guys all again. Remember, I have thousands of barbecue tips and hundreds of barbecue recipes at girlscangrill.com. You can also follow me on all the socials at Girls Can Grill. Until next time, happy grilling and good luck if you are competing at the Royal.